welcome to Math Lesson 17. Today is a review lesson, so everything we do, we're just going to be reviewing. All right, we're going to start with our place value. Just focus on the red and purple places. So in our first group of 3 digits, we have the first place is the ones, second is the tens, and third, the hundreds. Very good. Then we go to our thousands group. First is the 1000s, second is the 10,000s, third is the 100,000s. So say them with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. Very good. Okay, now we're going to practice with a big number, okay? I want you to read the number that is on this card. Okay, now I'm going to read it. See if you read it the same way that I am. 9,285. Did you get it? I hope so. Okay, what is the value of the 8 in this number? What is the value of the 8? 8 is in the tens place, so its value is 80, just like that. How about the 9? What's the value of the 9? The 9 is in the thousands place, so its value is 9,000. Very good. Okay, let's move on now to our clock. I want to set my clock. I want to set it to 1/2 past 1. 1/2 past 1. So, where should my minute hand be so that it's 1/2 past 1? Well, it should be halfway around my circle. So right there at the 6 is 1/2 past 1. Now where should my hour hand be? Well, it tells me exactly halfway past the 1 towards the 2. So that shows me that I'm at 1:30. How about a quarter past 7? Quarter past 7. Well, 7 would be if my hour or my minute hand was up here. A quarter is 1/4 of the way around my circle. Oops, wrong direction. So there's a quarter. And now it's past 7. So I move my hour hand just a little past the 7. So that's a quarter past 7. Very good. If it is a quarter, or let's change this. Okay. Let's say it is 9:35 and I want to know the time 20 minutes later. What am I going to do? Well, I'm going to take my minute hand and I'm going to count by 5s till I get to 20. 5, 10, 15. Whoops, I went the wrong direction. Excuse me. Let's try this again. My screen is backwards. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm at 9:55 now. I went 20 minutes. Make sure you go the right way that you go as when your numbers are going up. I moved backwards because I was looking at my screen the wrong way. Sorry about that. Okay, very good. Oof, it's hot today. I don't know if it's going to be hot when you're watching this, but it's hot when I'm making it. Woo. Okay, let's move on to our measures. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 pint equals 2 cups. Good job. Notice I added our new measures in there. Okay. Let's practice with our coins before we go to the board. This is a penny, and it is worth how many cents? 1. Very good. This is a dime, and it is worth how many cents? 10. Excellent. This is a quarter. Quarter, the big one. It's worth how many cents? 25. This is a $50. And how many cents is it worth? 50 cents. Good job. And our last one is a nickel, and it is worth how many cents? 5. Excellent job. Okay, now we are going to go to the board and look at a couple things on there, starting with our 3 family. We're going to start by going over our 3 times table. So here we go. I'm going to back up a little bit so that you can see all of the times table. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. Good work. Okay, now let's practice subtraction. When you are subtracting with zeros, remember you have to borrow from the whole number. You can't just subtract if there's a 0 because there's nothing there. It's too small. So I can't subtract 9 from 0. I have to borrow. I can't borrow from 0 because there's nothing there. So I have to go all the way over to the 5. Borrow from the 5. Whoops. Leaves me with 4. Bring that over. I have 10, but I need to keep borrowing. I need to go all the way back to the 1's place. So that leaves me with 9. Now I have 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Very good. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I have 211. One more thing before we finish and you can do your paper. Let's count our coins. Start with the biggest one, the $50. There's only 1, so that one's 50. Our quarters, 50 plus 25 is 75. 100 plus a dime, 110. Plus our nickels, 115, 120, 125, plus our pennies, 126, 127, 128. So that is 128 cents, which we should write using a $ sign and decimal point. So I count over 1, 2, punto, $ sign at the end. That's all you have to do. All right, follow the directions on your review paper. Let me know if you have any questions. Love you guys. Bye.